Hey everybody, my name is Albert Corey from Corey Associates Counting and Small Business, where every day we come on and where you can ask the questions and we ask the questions to make sure you get the best tax refund to make sure your business runs smoothly. Who am I? My name's Albert. We just finished our 36th season of doing accounting services. We did about over 500 small businesses. So, we know all the tips and tricks to get you the biggest refunds. But today we're going to come on. I know tax season is over, and I hope everybody got, the best refund or paid, as least amount as possible. But what's going to start to happen, guys, is you got to start planning for next tax year. Remember, this is now. You got to start saving now and getting your things together for next year. If anybody wants to come on, everybody's welcome to ask any questions. You can post it below. Or if it's very private, you can go on the top here, and go on instant message. Actually, let me put it on the screen here, and leave a message, and I will get back to you. I always get back. I always talk to people. I'm always very good at coming back and talking to everybody and getting things done and talk to everybody. Today we're going to talk about how the top tax deductions for small businesses. If anybody has any questions or comments, guys, this is your show, and I want you to come on and ask me. Okay. I want everybody to come on and ask me. You're welcome. Put the question below. If you want to come on and say hi, everybody's always welcome. All right, so now let me start going over some of the tax deductions. You have to start thinking about it now for next year. The first one's going to be your car and truck expenses. Your car and truck, your vehicle is probably probably one of the top 3 write-offs that I will tell you that you really need to do. This is very important, even as we're coming up on we're at April 23rd, 2019. Even though tax season is almost a year away, you have 8 months before the end of the year. But here's the key: you gotta have a logbook, guys. You have to keep track of all your expenses on your car. Okay, which means you got to put together every time you go somewhere. Okay, you're supposed to write it down in a logbook. That's what the IRS requires. It doesn't matter whether it's a leased vehicle or not. You're better off with the miles. In 2019, I'm just reading the IRS blogs in front of me. It says they're going to give you 58 cents a mile, because it really goes how gas goes up. It goes up and down. And another big thing is, guys, if you're doing outside sales in your W-2 form, okay, chances are it's really not going to help you. So better thing is, you better start a small business. You better start an MLM, become a realtor, and it will help you a lot. If you do an eBay, or Amazon, contract labor. Mr. Mario Pacheco came on, and Mr. Edmund Bicker. If anybody wants to come on and ask any question, guys, I prefer to ask everybody's questions. That's what I'm here for. I'm going to try to get back into the swing now. Now that tax season's over, I had an awesome season. Hey, Mr. Andy. Andy, thank you for talking to me yesterday.